I'm Sienna Bose. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about indices. Let's take a look at today's sum. Simplify 81 to the power of 3 by 4 minus 1 by 32 to the power of minus 2 by 5 plus 8 to the power of 1 by 3 into half to the power of minus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Let's simplify this, but firstly we have to copy down the sum. (81 to the power of 3 by 4 minus 1 by 32 to the power of minus 2 by 5 plus 8 to the power of 1 by 3 into half to the power of minus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Now this looks overwhelming, but it will get simpler as we keep on doing this. So let's see what we can do. Firstly, if we notice carefully, then we can write 81 as 3 to the power of 4. So let's do that. 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 3 by 4 minus 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5. So we can write it like this. Plus 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3, 2 cubed. Whole to the power of 1 by 3 into, now over here it's like 1 by 2 to the power of 1. So half can be written as 2 to the power of minus 1, because if it's like 1 by 8 to the power of n, it's equal to 8 to the power of minus n. So keeping that in mind, we get 2 to the power of minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. And lastly, we already know that anything to the power of 0 is 1. So we have that. Now let's work on this. In the next step, we don't have to mention this because we know that anything multiplied by 1 is that number itself. Okay. Again, we know that if it's like 8 to the power of m whole to the power of n, it's equal to 8 to the power of mn. Keeping that in mind, here we get 3 to the power of 4 into 3 by 4 minus, and here we use this identity, and then we get 2 to the power of minus 5 whole to the power of minus 2 by 5 plus, here again we apply this identity, 2 to the power of 3 into 1 by 3 into 2 to the power of minus 1 into minus 1. Let's continue. 4 and 4 gets cancelled over here, and we are left with 3 to the power of 3 minus, here we applied this identity now. It gives us 2 to the power of minus 5 into minus 2 by 5. We get that. Plus, here we have 2 to the power of, actually it's 3 and 3 gets cancelled too. 2 to the power of 1 is actually 2 only, so you get that. Into, again here, minus 1 to minus 1 is nothing but 1. So 2 to the power of 1, again, it gives us 2. Equal to, over here, again, let's check. Here we have 27. And here, since minus 5 and 5 gets cancelled, and we are left with 2 to the power of 2 plus 4. That gives us 27 minus 2 squared is 4, minus 4 plus 4. And clearly, minus 4 and plus 4 can be cancelled, which leaves us with 27. And this is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.